Hello, people. This is my sound check for this week's live open mic brought to you by Longmont, Colorado. This first song I started covering when I got my new water bottle. I should probably pull up the lyrics just in case. Whoever's watching, I don't know who you are. Is the sound coming through here? Is the sound coming through my microphone? I don't know if I set it up right. Let me know. Rebecca, Kendall, let me know. Yay or nay? Let me know. Please. I'm going to have to end this video if not. Or I'll just assume it is. You got your hair burned, you got your red dress on, screaming that second year was such a turn on. And the fog foaming on my window tells me that the morning's here and you'll be gone before too long. Taught you those new tricks, damn, shouldn't start that talk. Life is one big question when you're staring at the clock, and the answer's always waiting at the liquor store. 40 ounces to freedom, so I take a walk, and I know that, we're not going back. Not going back. Is the sound coming through my system or my computer? Let me know. It's my 40 ounce of freedom. And you look so fine when you lie, it just don't show. And I know which way the wind blows. 40 ounce of freedom is the only chance I'll have to feel good, even though I feel bad. And I know that, not going back. Not going back. Is the sound coming through this? No one is responding. It's my 40 ounce of freedom, reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated, y'all. Please let me know if the sound is coming through my computer or my system. This song I wrote about the Big Dipper. It's called Ursa Major. Please let me know if the sound is working. I have no idea. We go big, we go strong, keep moving right along, thriving on our own, looking up at you. You stay big, you stay bright, my companion at night, kissing me goodbye with that sparkle in your eye. We lay down, we look up, before our eyelids shut, try to find what is what while you close in on us. Right side up, upside down, fill up and roll around, now you're spilling on the ground, you big clumsy fool. Down, we look up before our eyelids shut, try to find what is what while you close in on us. Right side up, upside down, fill up and roll around, now you're spilling on the ground, you big clumsy fool. Take a dip, feel revived, having this outside, at dusk you'll arrive with that twinkle in your toe. Is the sound coming through my microphone? How's it sounding? I don't know if I set it up right. Thank you, Mom, my only viewer. That was Ursa Major, my song about the Big Dipper.